Contractors using manual invoicing or slow bank transfers often wait several days or even weeks to get paid, because customers don't have a simple way to pay the invoice the moment the job is done. By the end of this, you'll know which payment processing options actually fit contractors, what features matter most, and how to choose a system that gets you paid faster without adding extra admin work. Payment processing for contractors isn't just about taking money. It's about speed, convenience, and reducing the gap between completing a job and seeing cash in the account. The most important feature is card and digital payments. Customers are far more likely to pay immediately when they can use a card, mobile payment, or online payment link instead of writing a check. This matters because delayed payments create cash flow gaps that affect payroll, materials, and scheduling. The second key feature is invoicing integration. The best systems let you send an invoice and accept payment from the same screen, without switching tools or manually entering payment details. This reduces errors and saves time on every job. The third feature is mobile payments in the field. Many contractors get paid faster when technicians can collect payment immediately after finishing the job, instead of sending invoices later. This matters because the longer the delay, the higher the chance the invoice gets forgotten or disputed. Another important factor is automation. Some systems automatically send payment reminders or follow-up messages when invoices aren't paid on time. This helps reduce awkward manual chasing and improves collection rates without extra effort from the office. Contractors also need clear transaction tracking. Every payment should connect directly to a job, so you can see exactly what was paid, when it was paid, and which service it belongs to. This helps avoid confusion during accounting and tax reporting. When comparing tools, the main difference is usually between general payment processors and contractor-focused systems that combine invoicing, scheduling, and payment collection in one place. General processors are flexible but require more manual setup. Contractor-focused platforms are more streamlined for field service workflows. The right choice depends on how your business operates. If you only need to accept payments, a simple processor works. If you want payments tied directly to jobs, scheduling, and invoices, an all-in-one system is more efficient. A practical next step is to look at your last 10 unpaid invoices. If most delays happened because customers didn't have an easy way to pay immediately, your biggest improvement will come from faster, simpler payment options. If this helped you compare your options, like the video, and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of contractor tools and business software.